fideo yma, dyn ni'n mynd i ddysgu am ben-blwyddi. In this video, we are going to learn about birthdays. Yn gyntaf, firstly, let's remind ourselves of the months of the year. Misoedd y flwyddyn, yn Gymraeg. Ailadroddwch ar fy ôl i. Ionawr. Chwefror. Mawrth. Ebrill. Mai. Mehefin. Gorffennaf. Awst. Medi. Hydref. Tachwedd. Rhagfyr. Da iawn. Nawr, to ask, for example, when Sian's birthday is, we say, pryd mae pen-blwydd Sian? When is Sian's birthday? And the answer is, mae pen-blwydd Sian ym mis Ebrill. Sian's birthday is in April. Eich tro chi. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Pryd mae pen-blwydd Sian? Mae pen-blwydd Sian ym mis Ebrill. Gwych. To ask when is your birthday, we say, pryd mae dy ben-blwydd di? Dych chi'n cofio? Do you remember? The pronoun dy, meaning your, singular, causes a treiglad meddal. Pryd mae dy ben-blwydd di? And to answer, my birthday is in March, we say, mae fy mhen-blwydd i ym mis Mawrth. Fy, meaning my, causes a treiglad trwynol, a nasal mutation, to nouns beginning with t, c, p, b, d, and g. Felly, so, my birthday equals fy mhen-blwydd. Mae fy mhen-blwydd i ym mis Mawrth. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Repeat after me. Pryd mae dy ben-blwydd di? Mae fy mhen-blwydd i ym mis Mawrth. Bendigedig. Nawr, let's look at the third person pronouns, his and her. A, meaning his, causes a treiglad meddal, soft mutation, just like dy. Pryd mae ei ben-blwydd e? When is his birthday? Mae ei ben-blwydd e ym mis Mai. His birthday is in May. And A, meaning her, causes a treiglad llais, aspirate mutation, to nouns beginning with t, c and p. Pryd mae ei phen-blwydd hi? When is her birthday? Mae ei phen-blwydd hi ym mis Awst. Her birthday is in August. Gadewch i ni ymarfer eto. Let's practice again. Dwedwch ar fy ôl i. Pryd mae ei ben-blwydd e? Mae ei ben-blwydd e ym mis Mai. Pryd mae ei phen-blwydd hi? Mae ei phen-blwydd hi ym mis Awst. Da iawn. Nawr, let's look at other examples. Pryd mae eich pen-blwyddi chi? When are your birthdays? Mae ein pen-blwyddi ni ym mis Ionawr. Our birthdays are in January. Mae ei pen-blwyddi nhw ym mis Rhagfyr. Their birthdays are in December. As you can see, eich, ein, and ei do not cause any mutations. If we want to ask when someone's birthday was, we use roedd instead of mae. Pryd roedd dy ben-blwydd di? When was your birthday? Roedd fy mhen-blwydd I ym mis Tachwedd. My birthday was in November. Pryd roedd ei ben-blwydd e? When was his birthday? Roedd ei ben-blwydd e ym mis Chwefror. His birthday was in February. Pryd roedd ei phen-blwydd hi? When was her birthday? Roedd ei phen-blwydd hi ym mis Medi. Her birthday was in September. Da iawn. There was a lot to learn in this video. Cofiwch, dych chi'n gallu gwylio'r fideo yma eto I adolygu. Remember, you can watch this video again to revise. Pob lwc.